Howdy folks, so I just want to give you a quick heads up that this Tuesday, October 18th, I'm going to be speaking at a live event run by the Geo-Awesomeness blog. The theme of the event is all based around map animation, and I specifically am going to be talking about my journey into this world, like how I got into making cartographic visualizations. One of the really cool things about this event is that it's sponsored by the folks over at Map Creator, and they have just recently put together a new map animation tool that is very user-friendly, and they're going to be demoing it at this event. So I know that a lot of you that are subscribed to my channel and follow me have asked about alternatives to the GeoLayers map making tool, because GeoLayers is very much a specific, it's a very expensive tool with a steep learning curve, and you have to already kind of be an intermediate to advanced After Effects user to confidently use that tool, and there aren't really many alternatives to this tool. That's why you should come check out this tool from Map Creator. I'm very interested to see this demo. So if you like making maps, if you like animating maps, you should definitely come check out this event. Again, it's October 18th, Tuesday, 12:30 Eastern Standard Time in the States and 6:30 p.m. Central European Time. You can register via the link down in the video description. See you there.